Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound and Vibration. Now tap on Phone Ringtone and Vibrate. And tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. Then go back, scroll all the way down and tap on More Sound Settings at the bottom. Now you can click on Haptic Feedback Vibration Duration and adjust it however you want to by operating this slider. To discard your changes, select Cancel, and to save them, click on OK. If you wish to restore the default settings, just tap on Default in the middle. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to Vibration on Touch to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!